Pandora! Pandora!
What? What?
Ah, yes. Did you know that you have zeal? You have charisma, you have pizzazz, you have all these neat things. That's what Sam Klimke actually possesses in his new Charisma production. And I really feel that in the past recent years I've seen a single idea of his grow with motivation and steadfast, and I truly believe that as the years grow on we'll see some really unique productions. I'm Daryl Burks, and I hope I'm a part of that. And you too.
Kharisma.
I am very pleased to hear that Kate didn't stop at fantasy music open his doors. I went to a Charisma course.
Kharisma. Kharisma.
Now we'll see what I'm talking about.
Kharisma.
My name is Sam Klimke. Welcome to Kharisma, with a K. What is it? Kharisma is the name of an organization I created back in January of 1977 that will sponsor and give unity to various scattered creativity. And basically, the Kharisma Corporation is just that, a company that produces and utilizes charisma. There are so many people out there with real talent that never get the opportunity to use it. It's always bothered me to see all that potential going to waste. And what I'm trying to do is make that opportunity available, even if it's for only one time. Some of my ideas for Kharisma's different enterprises include a recording studio and record label, a book publishing company, the formation of KHAR, a versatile but unique radio station with a unique format.
K-H-A-R.
Various artwork ranging from sculpture and painting to cartooning. And of course, Lassie. We'll mainly be a film production company, but we'll also be involved with several other creative projects, such as musical composition and songwriting, theatrical performing, comedy writing, as well as serious literature. An animation studio, a soap product for acne, a film production company, and the opening of a tombstone engraving school. You know, one of the things people are constantly asking me is, what's it for? I always get that, what's this for? And it seems like a simple enough question, but I never know how to answer it. Film has always fascinated me. It has the ability to capture everything it sees. And its only limitations are one's own imagination. Just about anything conceivable can be captured on film. But the most important, it can capture time. Time that we'll never see again. Like the pages of an old calendar, reminding us of old dental appointments long forgotten. Time that we'll never see again, captured forever. But hey, this is getting a little too symbolic. In other words, our main goal is to capture creativity, real creativity, and give it a home, even if it's only on film. Converted into true ultimessence can only result in the inevitable, yet obvious.
Kharisma.
Kharisma is now in the initial embryonic stages, but I have high hopes for this ambitious effort. I have here the copyright to the Kharisma Corporation, signed 1977, and waiting to serve its purpose. I'm thinking of sticking it on my refrigerator door.
I think we ran out of film anyway.
tell me, what do you folks think of the Kharisma Corporation?
I love it. I love everything about it. What is it?
I hate it, but I forgive you, my brother. Jesus loves you. Anyway.
Oh, were you talking to me?
I like it, but please don't put me on your mailing list.
Yes, I think they're one of the best ornithologists in the business.
Oh, that new bar in town? Went there and had a great time, let me tell you. Oh, their first record was just crummy.
Isn't that the group always pushing their religion out at the airport?
Oh, great. Another disaster film? Are you talking to me?
Gosh, I didn't expect the Spanish Inquisition.
Oh, no, not another Monty Python gimmick.
Far out, man. Far out. Real far out, man. Real far out.
Well, I'm not really interested in that, but I will talk to you about Buddha.
No comment.
Sure, I really like it. As a matter of fact, it's the only car I ever had that got 45 miles to a gallon.
Pues sabe que no me gusta. Who are you talking to? Are you talking to me?
Mind your own business, Sam. Hey.
Okay, and action.
Charisma is all around us at all times, from icons of the stage and screen.
You don't live life, you just film it so you can look back and remember it later.
Perhaps you're right, Joe. Perhaps you're right.
Steve Martin, Mr. Banjo Man. Hey, Johnny and the Moondogs, you know.
Okay, thank you, baby.
And of course, the most charismatic of all, Elvis.
Elvis Presley is truly one of the greatest performers of all time, and I feel lucky that I did get to go see him before he died.
Oh, I just love capturing the human condition on camera. It's so cinema verite. Yes, it's easy for me to intimidate others by shoving a camera in their face. People get shy and angry when I persist. But occasionally, someone turns the tables on me and I get a taste of my own medicine.
But now at the age of 19, things are really looking up for me, and I predict that this
Charisma
coming
is
year
all
will be
around
the
us
year that was.
at all times.
May I present to you
Charisma is all around us
1977.
at all times. From
Say, it's getting late, and I've got a production company to run. In the meantime, what do you say we go capture us some charisma? With a K.
Working for Sam Klumpke is Like working for Santa Claus, what can I say?
Nothing much, except we ought to get some charisma into the situation.
I think we should like working for Santa Claus, what can I say?
Nothing much, except we ought to get some charisma into
I
the situation.
think we should
bright lights and pushing somebody up the railing.
Bright lights and,
bright lights and pushing somebody up the railing.
That's right.
Yes, the Kharisma Corporation is the best one in the world.
You know, there was a time when I really felt poised for greatness. When I was 20 years old, I was so full of ambition and cockiness. As a mentorless child, I thought I knew it all and didn't need advice from anyone. Not that there was anyone around to advise me anyway. I had such high expectations for my future. I was so innocent and naive that I thought I could just sit back passively and watch greatness materialize out of the blue. God, I took myself so seriously back then. I was so ignorant of what it really took to become successful. I often wonder what I would say to my younger self if he were to meet me now. Look at me, still living with my parents in that sterile suburban neighborhood. I was a decent-looking young buck, though, wasn't I?
Production company, and the opening of a...
Oh, you ah, youth. Hey, Sammy boy, good to see ya.
Well, hello, Mr. Clemty.
It's been a long time.
Well, yes, it has.
How are things going for you back then?
Oh, not too bad for a struggling young college student.
Good, good. Well, listen, I'd like to talk to you if you have some time.
Oh, yeah?
Have a seat.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
I'm feeling kind of nostalgic right now.
Well, be my guest.
Okay. First off, remember that production company you were working on back then? What was that called?
Kharisma?
Kharisma, that's right. The Kharisma Corporation.
Yes, well, basically I was still trying to get it off the ground there. I had a lot of high hopes for it, but there were times when I thought it would flop.
It never went anywhere.
But I kept a positive attitude towards it.
Yeah. And what about you personally? You still living at home? What's up with that?
Yeah, I'm still living at home with the folks, So it's mostly a lot of ideas just waiting to be put into production.
Sure. So lazy.
But I have won several awards and had several animated cartoons shown on television.
Oh, several.
You do remember television, don't you, Mr. Klemke?
Vaguely. I spend most of my time trolling the internet these days. Something you've never heard of.
Well, I just hope you appreciate all the work and struggling I did back then to get you where you are now.
Well, hindsight is crystal clear, isn't it? But as you get older, you lighten up about these things.
Yeah, I suppose you're right, but I still wish there was some way I could skip over the next 23 years to be where you are now.
No, you don't, trust me. But thanks for chatting. Appreciate it.
Okay, yeah.
It's good to see you again.
Well, thank you.
And have a good future.
And same to you.
It's pretty anticlimactic, believe me.
Oh, and by the way, Mr. Klemke.
Yes?
Try to stop living in the past.